Okay, so today we are showing you the 93 ampere cell, which can replace LEV50. Here you can see this cell. It's brand new cell with a QR code, proper data. It's 100% brand new CATL cell, and then we weld M8 screw this one, and you can see the length and the width of the cell is almost same. The height is this one is little bit lower, so you can use some insulation to make it higher and choose LEV50 cell to replace this one. So we have a lot of stuff here, brand new cells. All you can check, all cells have QR code. These are all brand new CATL cell, 100% brand new, and you can replace with Mitsubishi Mini EV and also Renault ZD0. Also Mitsubishi Outlander can be used for this cell. So if you want to buy, you can place it. And check here, we are going to do the screw welding. We have M8 screws. Weld the screw on the cells. Proper top test. This is how we pack the 10 cells each box. You can see the proper foam in between the cells and properly safe packing. There's a foam in the bottom, and then we cover the foam on the top as well. This